Meet the fuzzy potato of the fruit world, about to get a serious bath.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. These green guys are getting a premium spa treatment today.
Spinning like a disco ball to lose that extra water weight. Look at him go.
The Kiwi Terminator is scanning for the perfect green candidates. No losers allowed.
Access denied. You're too mushy for this party, buddy. Better luck next time.
It's a green tidal wave. Everyone stay in line. The big shave is coming.
Off with their heads. Just a little trim to keep things looking sharp.
Time to lose that itchy fur coat. Nobody likes a hairy snack, right?
Oh la la. Look at that gorgeous green skin. Suddenly, I feel underdressed.
A sea of emeralds. If only my garden looked this organized and shiny.
Slice, slice, baby. Perfect circles every time. It's like fruit geometry class.
Landing the perfect 10. Look at those seeds, nature's little polka dots.
Stay still, little guy. You're looking too delicious for your own good.
Turn up the heat. We're sweating out the water, but keeping the flavor.
Bye-bye, water. Don't let the door hit you on the way out.
It's a texture revolution, folks.
The vault is open. Fresh out of the oven and smelling like heaven. Hot stuff coming through. These green coins are worth their weight in sugar.
Cool down, boys. We don't want you burning the customers' tongues.
The snap test. If it doesn't crunch, it's not a timber time lunch.
It's raining kiwi. Hallelujah. It's raining kiwi.
Shake it, shake it. Only the most beautiful slices make the final cut.
Oops, you're a bit broken. Into the smoothie pile you go.
Precision is key. We don't want to give away too much of this green gold.
Marking their birthday, these young Caucasian children, a boy and a girl, are ready to travel the world.
All aboard the Snack Express. Destination, your lunchbox.
Wrap it up. This Kiwi party is officially moving out.
Look at that heavy lifting. That's a lot of fiber in one place.
Another day, another million kiwis turned into chewy perfection.
The moment of truth. Crunch, chew, and enjoy the green magic.
Look at these seeds. They're basically tiny black diamonds for your gut.
Water power. It's like a lightsaber, but made of H2O and sass.
Easy there, robo-hands. Treat that kiwi like a fragile green baby.
Pop. That's just a little bit of kiwi breath escaping the factory.
50 shades of, well, mostly emerald.
Hole in one. This kiwi is more athletic than I'll ever be.
Cell level workout. They're getting ripped and ready for the bag.
The wheels of progress keep turning, mostly because they're well-oiled.
Liquid gold.
Tattoos for fruit. Now you're officially part of the elite Kiwi Club.
Look at that bounce. These kiwis are basically edible trampolines now.
Cleanliness is godliness, especially when you're a dried green snack.
Moving mountains. The green mountain of deliciousness is finally flat.
The chosen one. You've been selected for the VIP snack bag.
Origami time. But instead of cranes, we're making snack bags.
A little puff of air so you don't get crushed. Safety first. Flying without wings. Next stop, the grocery store shelf.
Scanned and ready. You've got your ID. Now go see the world.
Mission. Delicious is a go. Money talks, but kiwi slices sing. Clink, clink, snack time is here.
A honey bath? You're really living the high life now, Kiwi.
Happy workers make better snacks. That's the secret ingredient.
On the road again, bringing the green joy to a town near you. Approved. You've passed the test with flying green colors.
Snap. That's the sound of a perfectly dried fruit masterpiece.
Oh, wow. Give me more.
No fake stuff here. Just pure, unadulterated green power.
Good night, factory. You did a great job making snacks today.
Dancing its way into your heart.
Look at all that fiber. Your tummy is gonna love you. From the dirt to the penthouse, this kiwi has made it big.
Sharing is caring.
But maybe keep the bag for yourself.